like to level up the playing field, no? Na iparehas na po ang karawat pag-abot po sa level kang edukasyon na bako lang po sumayayaman ang nakakatapos, no? Kundi po sa mga satuya pong mga kapobrehan, natatawan po kitsansa na makapagtapos kan sa inda pong kolehiyo, lalong-lalo na po na talaga naiiba po ang economic status kang sarong family. And it trickles up na po eh. So from the family going up to the community, nakula po ang epekto. So indeed, this is a dream come true for Santo Domingo.
Definitely, Tabi Mayor, anong course po ang offer po niya?
Well, as of now, we have a information computer course here in Santo Domingo. So we are starting with it kasi sabi nga ni po, even si Regional Director kang Satuya pa ng Padaba kang Chanched na talagang ini po ang sa iyang suggest Satuya. And before niya mo po sinuggest, talagang ito po ang gusto ta because of the demand, not just locally, no, or even sa national but internationally, ini po ang demand sa Satuya pong mga kakian. So we will start there, but of course sabi ko nga ni, we have a dream here in Santo Domingo that hopefully po by next year or 2 years from now, we will have our criminology courses here in Santo Domingo, no? Kasi nahiling ko po ang demand na para po sa mga arukining kurso, and grabe rin po ang demand lalo-lalo po sa nag-a-apply po for uniform jobs po here in the Philippines po.
Your medyo may distansya po in community college sa sentro. So ano ang plano kang LGU in terms of transportation?
That's still to be discussed. Of course, we would like to talk also to the transport group, no? Kasi this is an additional income for them also, that students. But definitely we will have to consider it kasi one of the consideration po kang pagpunta po kayo in community college really is to possibly make education free. Meaning, bako lang po sa matrikula, no? Bako lang sa matrikula, but of course, sa senda pong pamasahe. So, we will do our best and we will consider everything, lalo-lalo na po ang senda pong pagpaduman sa senda pong mga eskwelahan. So, yes, Sir Doy, hopefully, kung di man po makaka-apekto sa Satuya pong transport group, we will, as much as possible, subsidize their everyday pong napagpaduman sa eskwelahan. But of course, sabi ko nga ni, as of now, free education muna. So that's it.
Sir, pirang budget na po ang naialokar kang lokal na gobyerno para po may tugdok ining community college natin?
As of I've mentioned before, we have 25 millions, no, as of last year, and now 2023 we have another 10 million, no. So more or less po we have 20 million. And so first tranche na po na 5 million, that's around 25 million na po. Although so 10 million po as of now, it is still subject for disbursement. So every year po, the bulk of the EDF kan Satuya pong budget will be intended for the community college po.
Sir, what is your inspiration in prioritizing this project?
Yes, of course, aram po nindo sarap man pong akikan Santo Domingo. I have friends po, no? I have friends na kinadakulaan ko po nakiba ng Kusinda. And I have to mention that they're not all of them are well off, no? And it saddens me na nagkapira lang po kami, nagkapagtapos. And the main reason really is ang kahirapan po ang sa indang pong ang rason. So of course, going around Santo Domingo also, we meet people na sa iba-iba pong walks of life, no, mga parauma, mga parasira, that the main factor po na di sila po or even sa kahirapan di sila nakakaalip po duman precisely because of the chance to send their kids into school, no. So ini po ang nagano sa kuya, economically pinadalang ko talaga, sabi ko kung makakatibid ng sarong family yung 100 pesos or even 150 pesos per day, which is pangkaon na, pwedeng matipo na for kuryente or even takulaon pong bagay. Imagine mo po kung ang pamasahe, lesson na, or even po ang education is free, takulaon pong tabang economically ang iyang pong bagay sa sarong family. And of course, sabi nga ni po ni Congressman Joey Salceda that ang target po is one college graduate per family before, no? And sabi ko kani kay isa sa tuyang padamang congressman, sabi ko, boss, sabi ko why one college one college per family, wherein kung kaya taman sa nang gabusin na po makagraduate sa senda pong family. So that's the target po right now. Really, kung po pwede po sa bus po na members ka sa sendang family is makagraduate po. Iyan po ang sa tuyong objeto, iyan po ang inspiration din na nagdadrive sa tuya.